Morning students, this is Jadip sir. Today for class 8, we'll start a new chapter, that is simplification of algebraic fractions. So from here, we'll start with module 1, okay, and next part we'll do in module 2. Today, first you understand I think you know the concept of LCM and HCF. So here is the same concept. The concept is taking common, okay. This is the part. See what is given. Find the HCF of this 24x cube y square and 36x square y cube. Then from here there are the numerical. See, numerical numbers are there. There is a numerical coefficient, you can say numerical coefficient, and this is the variable. Now from here what I have done, I break into the factors. Various factors I break down over here. Now from here, see, you can easily see that HCF of 24x cube y square, and I've written, we know the HCF is the highest common factor. Both the highest common factor, see, 2 into 2 into 3. What is coming? 4. See, 2 to 4 and 12. This is 12x square y square. Now for the LCM is what? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. See, this is 2, and this is 3. That is what? 12 is coming. Now lowest common multiple, one more 3 will be multiplied, and this 2 will be also multiplied, that is coming 72. And in case of variable, always you take the highest power. In case of LCF, you have taken the lowest power. In case of LCM, take, in the case for the variable, you take the highest power. See, in this question we having the highest power, see, x cube. See, I have written x cube over here. Now in this piece, y square and y square will be the y square only. Now the same thing I have written, see, HCF of 24 in this one given, little variable, see, variable, what I have written, lowest power, and for the LCM is written what? Highest power. So same thing what I have written over here, only I told you in the before this question only. Now one more example we'll do for the polynomials. How to find out this one done for the monomials. Today now we'll do the polynomials. So what is given? Find the HCF and LCM of a square plus 3ab and a square minus 9ab square. Now first you have to find the factorized one. See, I break down this one. So I see from these two part I can take easily a out, taken out. If I take one a from here, then what is the remaining a, and from here a I have taken 3b, then 3b will be remaining. Then from here this way I can be break down in the form of a square minus b square formula. See, a plus b and a minus b I have done. Now from here numeral coefficient for both the expression is what? See, nothing going common. Nothing going common. See, nothing going common, and we can write down what? One is the factors, means not a common, I'm telling this, the numeral coefficient is what? 1 only. Now we know that HCF are written what? HCF of numeral coefficient into common factors raised to the lowest power. Now from here 1 into 3ab are written, that the value of HCF will be what? A plus 3b. The same case HCF also written LCM of numeral coefficient. Derive coefficient means what? Coefficient into factors raised to the highest power, that was given lowest power, lowest power, and this is given the highest power. See, I have written LCM, what I have written, see, from here the highest power will be what? Total will be a will be also there, and this will be also there. This is the final answer for the LCM. Next, I'm doing some question from the exercises. Here also exercise 1 Roman 3, they have to find out the HCF. See, I have written HCF of 121 and 11 is what? 11. I write down over here 121 is 11 into 11, and 11 equals to 11 into 1. Now see, what is the highest common factor? 11 and 11 is coming highest common factor. They have written what? Only 111. Now we have told that for the variable, what we will do? We write down the lowest common multiple. Lowest common, both this one, lowest common is what? See, power is 1 is 1. They written AB. Then what is the final answer is 11 AB for the monomials. Next we come across for the another question. You will find out the LCM. Only you have to find out the LCM. Sorry, LCM. Then from here, same factor we have done. The first you find out the factors of the particular numbers. What is given? LCM, that is coming what? 60 only. And LCM of the variable, what is coming? I told you highest variable you take, highest power variable you take. Highest power is what? A to the power 4 and B is B to the power 3 only. See, A to the power 4 and B to the power 3. The LCM of monomials, what I've written, what? 60 A to the power 4 B3. Okay, now we will go for another question. There is a last question, good question only. Find the HCM and LCM of this expression and this expression. See, this expression you will not be able to understand. This will be doing in the second exercises to find out the middle term factors. The first you understand, I have done whatever I have done, just see, check once. Okay, from here we know they have to break down this 9 is what? 3 into 3. The 3 plus 3 I can write down. See, I break down this to 6 into 3 plus 3. The 3m plus 3m is coming what? 6m only. From here to fact, I have taken the fact common. Here also taken the common. See, I have taken from here m common and here I have taken 3 common. Then what is coming? M plus 3 and m plus 3. What is the final? M plus 3 whole square. Now from here, see, it is given m square minus 9. Then same thing, a square minus b square. You can easily write down a plus b and a minus b written. Then from here, HCF, what is written? See, HCF and LCM of numerical coefficient is 1. Thus, HCF of polynomial, what will be? 1 into m plus 3, what is written? M plus 3 only. Clear? As because we have seen that both they are having m plus 3. And LCM will be 1 into m plus 3 whole square into m minus 3, that is only x plus, sorry, it will be m plus 3 whole square and m minus 3. This will not be there. Okay, the final answer is m plus 3 whole square m minus 3. This is the final answer. I hope you have understood this part, what you have done. This second exercise is very important. That exercise we will do the middle term factor. I hope you have understood. Don't have any problem. Do your work properly on time. Don't keep your work pending. Good. Have a nice day. Okay. Goodbye.